What if I told you that the key to attracting younger women isn't what you think? Forget everything you thought you knew about attraction. This isn't about money or looks, it's about something deeper, something primal. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 7 types of older men that younger women find irresistibly attractive. These insights will not only surprise you but also change the way you approach relationships forever. So, are you ready to become the man younger women dream of? Let's dive in. Number 7. The mentor figure. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where a young woman looks up to you, seeking answers to her life's questions? Can you picture her eyes lighting up with curiosity, turning to you as if you're about to reveal life's secrets? This is exactly the kind of man many younger women desire, a man who provides guidance, solutions, and wisdom. To her, you represent stability and understanding. Your life experiences speak volumes, making you a beacon of certainty and clarity in a chaotic world. When a young woman looks at you, she sees someone who has navigated life's ups and downs, a composed gentleman with invaluable lessons to share. Be the mentor figure she seeks, and you'll find her drawn to your wisdom and steadiness. Number 6. The enigma. Fairy tales paint an image of predictable Prince Charmings, but the truth? Younger women are far more captivated by intrigue and curiosity. As the enigmatic man, you hold an irresistible allure. Your layers of mystery make her want to uncover your depths one piece at a time. Keep her guessing by revealing just enough to intrigue her while leaving room for discovery. Let her feel the thrill of unraveling your story. With every conversation, she'll find herself wanting to know more, drawn into the mystique that sets you apart. Number 5. The creative visionary. Do you possess a knack for creativity? Whether it's through art, entrepreneurship, or problem solving, your innovative spark makes you incredibly attractive to younger women. They're drawn to men who think outside the box, who see the world from unique perspectives. Your ability to explore uncharted territory and innovate inspires them to view life differently. Let your creativity define you. By showcasing your ability to create and reimagine, you'll capture the admiration and fascination of any young woman lucky enough to be by your side. Number 4. The self-made man. Achievements speak louder than words. While younger men may promise hard work and future success, nothing compares to the proven track record of a self-made man. Younger women are irresistibly drawn to men who have faced life's challenges, overcome them, and emerged stronger. It's not just about material wealth, it's about the resilience and drive that define you. To a young woman, you're a symbol of success and stability. If she chooses to be with you, it's because she trusts you to build a brighter future together. Show her that your journey isn't just inspiring, it's a roadmap for a life of success and fulfillment. Number 3. The adventurous spirit. Women love travel, period. And what could be more appealing than a man who has a wealth of travel experience and knows how to create unforgettable journeys? As an older man, you bring the kind of expertise that ensures every trip is extraordinary. From choosing the best destinations to uncovering hidden gems, your experience transforms travel into an adventure. For a young woman, traveling with you means seeing the world through seasoned eyes. You'll be her guide to the finest cuisines, the most stunning sights, and the greatest stories, making every moment unforgettable. Number 2, the reliable partner. What's the most attractive trait for younger women? It's not looks, humor, or wealth, it's reliability. Your ability to follow through on commitments and provide unwavering support makes you stand out. Younger women see reliability as the foundation of a strong and lasting relationship. By being there through thick and thin, listening without judgment, and offering steadfast emotional support, you become the man she can trust. She'll see you as someone who can build a future together, offering stability in life's unpredictable storms. Number 1, the gentleman. Finally, the most crucial type of man younger women find irresistible, the true gentleman. Being a gentleman isn't about grand gestures, it's about consistent thoughtfulness in everyday moments. From opening doors to respecting her choices, your actions reflect your deep respect for her. Your experience in navigating relationships makes you stand out from younger men. You understand the importance of preserving trust, valuing her opinions, and treating her with kindness. These small but significant gestures make you the kind of man every young woman dreams of, a partner who respects and cherishes her. Embrace these traits, and you'll not only captivate younger women but also redefine the way you view relationships. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.